Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to test the sensor on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the Samsung Members app in the app drawer. And from here, just tap on Diagnostics. Now just tap on Phone Diagnostics. Now from here it will test the hardware of your smartphone, including all the sensors of your smartphone. As you can see, it is currently testing all the sensors on our smartphone. And this is how you can test sensor on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.